All right, let's try another example, but this time we're going to be using exponents. So remember, f of x is the same thing as y. We are trying to figure out what the function would be if we plugged or substituted the x values. So let's go ahead and do the first x value of -2. Remember, wherever x goes is where I'm going to put my -2. Alright, so this says the function of -2 equals -2 squared. Remember, we have to put parentheses, especially since the number is negative. If you have a calculator, I know that -2 squared is going to be +4. Alright, so there you go, it's going to be 4. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the second one. So we are looking for the function of 2. Alright, so I'm going to put a +2 here. I know that 2 squared is going to be 4 as well, but let's go ahead and use our calculator just in case. And it is 4. Alright. And last one, we're going to do the function of 6. I'm just going to go ahead and write it. Alright, so I know that 6 squared will equal a number, but let's go ahead and do it in our calculator. 6 squared is 36. And a small little tidbit of information, if you have a hard time with squaring numbers, 6 squared is the same thing as 6 times 6. 2 squared is the same thing as 2 times 2. Alright? So 6 times 6 is 36, 2 times 2 is 4. So that's how we got those. So just like if you see 5 squared, that's the same thing as 5 times 5, which equals 25.